In a recent learning tip, I showed you how to add a text field linked to DataGroup Property to a text favorite to facilitate the annotating of drawings generated from the BIM model. This means if you modify the properties on these objects in your model or schedules, the changes will automatically be picked up in the notes. This, of course, means you are modifying the objects to which the text field is linked. But what happens if you delete that object and replace it with another object? Let's navigate to the model. So let's assume I want to change the type of door I'm using at the building entrance. Now, the proper way to do that would be to select the existing door and use Modify Properties to change the door catalog item. In this case, the text field would still be linked to the object. But let's be honest, things don't always happen that way. So I'm going to delete the existing entrance doors and then place a new entrance door using a different catalog item for the alternate. Note that this door has a type ID of D1A, and I'm going to add a new ID note. And then place the new door at the entrance. I'll navigate back to the drawing view. Now the note pointing to the door shows hatch tags. This indicates that either there is no data to display or that the text field cannot find the item it is linked to. And that is the case since I deleted the original door. So how do we fix it? Double-click on the text to open the text editor. In the text editor, select the portion of the text that is a text field. Right-click and select Reassign Field. Then select the new door. Make sure you are selecting the object that you want the field linked to. If there is more than one text field, you will need to reassign each one. Now the text field fills in, the note is correct, and it will update with any changes to the door properties.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.